Happy Monday, everybody. Donnie Baker, Learn Pro Recording, or LPR as we like to call it. You know, the site that not only shows you how to do a little recording, but more importantly, and just as important, how to get paid for it. We are still in our series about the tools that we use in our business. Today, I want to discuss with you Kajabi. In case you guys have not heard of Kajabi, I want you to go look it up after we're done here, but I'm going to give you a link to look it up so you can see what it's like and how it works and everything. So if you are ready to discuss Kajabi as a tool that I use and you should use in your business, let's discuss. Today, we're going to talk about Kajabi. Now, Kajabi is one of these tools that it has everything that I need to run a lot of the parts of my business when I'm running my business. So to me, I'm excited about it because I do enjoy Kajabi. I like the way it works. I've been using it for about 3 years and I understand it really well. And it just, for me, it works. And I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the fact that everything is built into one place. I used to have to go to one place to host my website, another place to host my email list, another place to host my CRM, another place to keep my analytics, Google Analytics. I used Google Analytics for a long time to keep track of who's seeing what, when, and where, and why they came, and how they came, and when they came. Whoo, it was rough, bro, I tell you what. But Kajabi kind of put all of this stuff together in one place. I log into one place. Everything I need is right there on the page. I'm actually looking at it on my laptop. It's right there. Everything I need is right there. So I want to talk to you guys about Kajabi a little bit today, and I want to offer you something special. I got something really cool that I want to share with you at the end, so hang on. Okay, so let's get to this part. Here is the slideshow. This is Kajabi, the tools that we use in our business. This is the series that we've been in. Kajabi is an Aboriginal word which means to take flight. Now, somebody really thought about that word when they thought up the name Kajabi because that's kind of what it means. You're taking flight into your digital online business. All of your products are contained in one place. Everything you need is in one place. Everything. That's what I mean. When I say everything, I mean everything. All of your website, your emails, your landing pages, your funnels, your contacts, which is so super important because everything is right there. There's an amazing community of users that are there to help and support and to help you to answer pretty much any question. I've gone to the group and asked like really what I thought was really silly questions. You immediately get a bunch of answers with people that's already experienced it. You know, you may be having a problem or you may be having some kind of issue, whatever. So one of the coolest features is that it works on mobile, not only for your users but also for you. The analytics are insane. I mean, you can see who came from where and when and what they went to and what they saw and who their mom is. I don't think that's one of the analytics, but the analytics are really cool. I mean, I used to use Google Analytics for like my website and stuff, seeing, you know, where people were coming from to kind of analyze SEO words and things like that. So, but all of that is built into the one place. Now, I don't have to go log in somewhere else to another account and remember passwords and all that stuff. 24/7 support. Dude, the Kajabi support system is just, I can't even explain how excited I get about somebody's support. Their support is, I mean, if you got a problem, you log in and somebody immediately is there on chat going, what's the problem? Can I help you? What's going on? What do you need? Hello, may I help you? It's pretty crazy that, you know, if you're working on your thing at 3 a.m, like I do, and you need support, it's right there, man. I mean, it's immediate pretty much. Kajabi University. Anything you need to know about Kajabi and how to use it, when to use it, and things like that, it's right there. Kajabi University, I mean, they've got just a ton of learning videos on how to do things. It's built in. There's also YouTube University. There's just tons of people like myself. I've got videos on YouTube which help explain stuff, including Kajabi. Everything is in one place. That's my biggest take on using Kajabi, is that everything is in one place. Yeah, look, and there's also zero revenue fees. I was using another service, I think it was Thinkific, Udemy or something like that I was hosting I've got a couple of digital courses and I was using those to host my digital course downloads. They would take a cut of every time I'd sell a course. They'd get a little cut of it. I thought that was a little weird. I mean, it's my thing. Yeah, look, it's their service, it's their thing, and that's how they not only am I paying for the service, but I'm also having to give up a percentage of what I sell. Kajabi doesn't do that. Integrated subscription and courses, everything is built in. The membership, the community, the courses, the live meetups. It replaces so many different pieces of software. For me, it can replace Zoom for meetings. It can replace any community or membership that you host, any website hosting, any email service that you're using to send out emails, any automated email systems that you're using. This is all included in Kajabi. Now, there are a couple of downsides to Kajabi. One is that it's kind of expensive. It seems expensive, but for me, honestly, it was one of these things that if I looked at all the other pieces that I had to try to duct tape together to make work, my website hosting was over here, my email thing was over there, my CRM thing was over here. I had to use Zapier to integrate the payment system into the website, and the website into the QuickBooks, and adding up all these other monthly fees was actually more expensive than what it cost me at Kajabi. So if you take a look at it, take a look at your system and see if it's cheaper. We're going to talk about that in another episode, but it is that. It is, it does seem expensive. I think it's $149 a month if you just jump in, but there are ways to reduce that. There, if you pay annually, you save 20%, that kind of thing. I've got a special deal for you, so don't go away. We're going to talk about that in a sec. I want to offer you I have a course. I have a system. It's not really a course. It's a system that if you use my link to get into Kajabi, I can offer you a 30-day free trial, which on the site you only get a 14-day trial. But if you use my link, which is right here, learnprorecording.com/join us, you'll see that there's a way to get a 30-day trial as well as extra support. I'm going to support you for your 30 days. For your 30-day trial, I'm going to support you 100%. I'm going to offer you access to our group, my group. Not the Kajabi group is separate. My group is just us. It's me and a couple of other people that are kind of on, I'm on their side, they're on my side kind of thing. We're just in there working together. I do a bi-monthly workshop where we talk about things, and then there's questions and answers and that kind of stuff. This is all included when you go to learnprorecording.com/join us. There's a getting started guide. As soon as you sign up, you get a getting started guide, even with your 30-day trial, to help you get started on building your business using Kajabi. It's right there. Advanced training and support. Yeah, I'm there for you. I'm not only in the group, but like I said, I do the bi-monthly. I do every other week. We get together and we talk about things. We discuss. I show you some cool stuff that's coming up. I show you some cool stuff that I'm doing, which is awesome. Okay. Access to our private group. You get access to our private group, which is just us, but you also have access to the Kajabi group as well. So, which is, unbelievable for me. I go pretty much. I don't know if it's an addiction, but I'm pretty much in there every day. Bi-monthly live support calls with me. If you sign up to Kajabi after your 30-day trial, I've got some extra bonuses for you. Bonus number one, of course, is I'm going to give you continued access to the group with continued access to the private calls and the advanced training and support from me and everyone else in the community, everyone else in the group. I'm also going to send you a copy of Graham Cochran's book, Get Paid for What You Know. This is an amazing publication. It's a great book. This is kind of what got me started in this system and using this system for my business, for my online business. It's pretty nuts that this book is that good, and I'm going to make sure that you get a copy of it because I really believe in it, and I really think it's something that can help you grow. It's going to help you grow, and as you grow, I grow, because this is just how Kajabi works. So if you guys want to learn more about Kajabi and what it can do for you, I want you to think about joining using my link. I want you to think about it's a 30-day free trial. There's nothing that it doesn't cost you anything. Jump in there, see if it's something that you want to use. Anyway, here is the link again, learnprorecording.com/join us, all lowercase. Jump in. It's free for 30 days. It's free if you use this link. And I'm going to be there to support you. We're all going to hang out. We're all going to grow your business. We're all going to make some money, and it's going to be amazing. And I can't wait. Now, for the special thing I've got for you. Today, you guys are seeing this on October 2nd, Monday, October 2nd. On October 4th through the 11th, 2023, in case you're looking at this years later on down the road, 2023, October 4th through the 11th, if you sign up with my link, which is learnprorecording.com/join us, I'll put it again right here. If you sign up with my link, Kajabi is going to offer you 20% off the monthly. That's 20% off the monthly. I get 20% off the month. I get 20% off mine, but I pay annually. That's $149. That's $149 times 12. You could do the math if you like on that. That's a big chunk out of pocket. Now, if you can't, you may not want to afford that because you haven't. 30 days may not have been enough to build your business. Honestly, with 30 days and with my support and the community support and Kajabi support, I'm just going to say you should be making enough money within 30 days with your online business to pay for your online business. Honestly, I did it, and I did it, and I'm an audio engineer, man. I'm not an online business person, and I did it. I make enough money with my online business to pay for the services that I need to, plus a little extra, there's that. But I'm just saying, within that 30 days, you should be able to make enough money to pay for that service. So it shouldn't cost you anything but a little bit of time. And the time is going to be spent with me and with the group and with online and building your dude, you're going to build this into a passive income that you don't have to work every day, and it's going to pay you. I mean, I make more money now than I ever did at running my service-based business. It's just, and it literally only takes me a couple hours a day, and I don't really do that much. I mean, now that I've built it, I just have to maintain it. Yeah, dude, I'm always coming up with ideas and coming up with new stuff, and I've got some new stuff coming, which you guys are going to be interested in, and I'm going to offer it to you. And look, I try to keep my things super cheap because I know I'm not super rich, but I'd like to have access to some of these things, so I don't need to make a bunch of money. I just need to pay for Kajabi. That's all I got to do, So use my link, and in between October 4th, it's only 7 days, man. 7 days. You're going to be offered 20% off. I think that works out to be like $119 a month. If you can make $119 in a month in 30 days, you can make at least $119 selling your digital product. The hardest part, I think the hardest part is coming up with what are you going to sell? What is it that people need? What is it that people want? And that's where I come in. That's where the community comes in, that we're going to help you discover that. We're going to help you decide what it is that that people want to pay you for. There's knowledge and experience that you have just because you've lived it, just because you have that experience and that knowledge that other people need. Someone needs what you know, so you need to offer that to them. And that's all it's all about. It's really that simple. It is really that simple. This type business is not that difficult. But I can honestly tell you too, this type business, the online content business, is the new frontier, man. I personally think we're on the wave is just beginning. This business is if you look it up, this is worth billions of dollars every year, and it's just the beginning. Because you're selling what you know things. Other people want to know what you know, and you can sell this information to them. You just need to learn to package it up and how to get it to them. And that's where Kajabi comes in, and that's where I come in to help out. So if you're ready, go to learnprorecording.com/join us. Sign up today. It's free for 30 days. Nothing can go wrong. You know what I mean? So if you are ready, let's get going. Hey, I want to get up out of here. I'm going to let you guys have a great week. Don't forget about the blog post this week. It's going to be about Kajabi as well, because I'm really excited about this special they've got coming up between October 4th and October 7th. It is amazing. It is 20%. I mean, phew, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to register between now and the 14th. You just got to register is all you got to do. And you get 30 days free. So there's that. So if you guys are ready, let's get going. I'm going to get up out of here, and I'm going to go maybe, I got to work on some mixes. That's what I got to do. I was going to say I'm going to go watch some football, but I'm going to go, I got to go work on some mixes because we got a client coming in this week who's ready for his rough mixes. We're ready to cut vocals. So I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to go do that. Hey, you guys have a wonderful week. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. I'll put my email right here. It's info@learnprorecording.com. My name is Donnie B, and I'm out of here. Have a great week. See you. Peace.